welcome to Pabbly. So if you're using Instagram to promote properties, projects or listings, then you already know how powerful this application is for generating enquiries. However, the real challenge is not generating enquiries, but managing them properly. So most real estate professionals reply to messages, but they do not store the lead in a structured format. As a result, the follow-ups get delayed, prospects are forgotten, and genuine opportunities are lost. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automate real estate enquiries from Instagram. And here we are going to save all the leads to the Google Sheet. This means our every Instagram lead will be captured and organized in Google Sheet. And this automation is extremely helpful for real estate agents, builders, brokers, and property consultants who want a professional lead management process without manual work. So now let me firstly show you how the automation is going to work. So inside Pabbly Connect, you can see I have already built in this automation by integrating both these applications, that is Instagram lead ads and Google Sheet. Now let's firstly see its real-time working. So for that, I'm going to use my Facebook account connected with my Instagram account, and here I'm using this page, that is the Magic Makers. So now let's move on to my Metaphor developers page, where I'm landed to this lead ad testing tool page, and here it is asking me to select the page and the form. So here I'm going to select the page which I have recently shown you, that is the Magic Makers, and now I am going to select my form, that is new leads, which is already selected. And now I have to delete my previous lead because I can create only one lead per form as I am working on the test mode. But no worries, you can create many leads on your live mode. So here I am going to firstly click over this delete lead for deleting my previous lead. And here you can see my lead has been deleted. Now let's click over this preview form button. And here we are receiving our new leads form, which I am going to fill. So here you can see I have filled this form providing email demo@pabblytudes.com, first name demo, last name user, phone number, and the city as Mumbai. Now let's click over this continue button and submit button for submitting our new lead ads form. And now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether the data of the lead which I have recently filled is received over there or not. So here you can see this is the Google Sheet where I'm saving my data, and the name of the spreadsheet is Instagram leads. And here I'm getting some fields such as full name, email, phone number, and the city. And here I'm getting the same data, that is full name demo user, email demo@pabblytudes.com, the phone number, and the city. So here you can see I'm successfully receiving the same data which I have recently filled over my new lead ads form. So now I'm going to show you how you can create this amazing automation for your own real estate business. But before that, let me show you the surprise which I have bought for you. So right on the screen, you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings while automating your whole business. So what are you waiting for? Use this coupon code STUYT and take your business to the next level. And now for creating this automation, you have to access Pabbly Connect. So open the new tab and type its URL. That is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will be getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you have to simply click over the sign up free, and when you create a new account over the Pabbly Connect, then you can get 100 free tasks every month for practicing Pabbly Connect. And if you already have an account, then you can simply click over this sign in. But before moving on forward towards Pabbly Connect, I'm going to tell you something exciting about Pabbly community. So this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, marketers, and business owners gather to share their ideas, ask questions, and get new updates regarding using the Pabbly application. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us. And I have provided the link of the Pabbly community in the description. So go and join our Pabbly community now. And now let's move on towards our Pabbly Connect, where I'm going to simply click over this sign in. And once you log in or sign up your account, then you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where you can see all the products provided by Pabbly. And now as we are going to create an automation by integrating different applications, then we will be using this Pabbly Connect app. So now let's click over this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect. which can be seen here. And here you can see all these folders where I have organized my all workflows by integrating different applications. And if you also want to create a folder for organizing your automations, then you simply have to click over this create a new folder button, and here you have to provide the folder name, and if you want you can even select the parent folders for better organizations. But now I am going to create a workflow. So for that you simply have to click over this create workflow button, and here you will be getting this option for selecting the workflow builder. And here we are getting two workflow builder, that is beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another workflow builder that is classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I am going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So now let's click over this select button, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter my workflow name. So now let's provide it. So here I am providing it the name add real estate Instagram leads to Google Sheet, and now I am going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button. And here we are landed to a workflow page where you might see this option of adding the trigger. So trigger is our first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So as you know, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as a new lead is received over my Instagram lead ads form. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Instagram lead ads. So now let's click over this add trigger button, and here we are landed to the trigger setup page where I'm going to select my trigger app as Instagram lead ads, and now I'm going to select my app event as new lead instant. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page where if you want to use your existing connection then you can select it, but for building a new connection you have to simply select this add new connection button. And before building the connection, make sure to log in your Facebook account connected with your Instagram account. And here I am going to simply click over this connect with Instagram lead ads, and here I have to select my Facebook account connected with my Instagram account. So here I'm going to simply click over this continue button, and as I have clicked over this continue button, my connection has been created successfully. So log in your Facebook account firstly, and here we are getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the page. So here on my Facebook account I have created this page, that is the magic makers, which I am going to select over my Pabbly Connect. So here you can see this page which I have selected. And now we are getting this field for selecting the leads and forms. So here I am going to select my leads and form as new leads, as I want to receive the leads of only this particular form. But if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this page, then you can even select all leads and forms also. And here I have selected it, and now we are getting this option for selecting the response format. So make sure to select your response format as simple so that you can receive the response in simple format. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request button, and here you can see its status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission, means we have to receive our test lead. So now for that, let's move on towards my meta for developers page. So here you can see this is my meta for developers page, where on the resources you will be getting this option for developer tools which you have to select. And you will be landed to this developer tools page where you have to select this tool, that is lead ads RTU debug tool. So here I have selected it, and as I have selected it, I am landed to this lead ad testing tool page where we will be getting our form. So now I am going to select the page, that is the magic makers, and afterwards I am going to keep my form, that is new leads, as same. And now let's delete our previous lead. So here as I have clicked over this delete lead, my lead has been deleted. Now let's click over this preview form button, and here I am getting this form which I am going to fill again. So here you can see I have filled this form providing email smart@pabblytudes.com, first name smart, last name user, phone number, and the city as Mumbai. Now let's click over this continue button and submit button for submitting our form. And here our Instagram lead ads form is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is capturing the data or not. So here you can see in my Pabbly Connect I am successfully receiving this response having the same details which I have recently recently filled over my form. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app. Now let's add these details to the Google Sheet. So for that we have to add our action app as Google Sheet. So now let's click over this add new actions tab button, and here I'm going to add my action app, that is Google Sheets, and afterwards I'm going to select my app event as add new row. Now let's click over this connect button, and now for building a new connection you have to sign up with your Google account, but I'm going to use my existing connection. So now let's click over this save button, and as I have clicked over the save button, my connection has been created successfully, and we are getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the spreadsheet. So as you know, I have created this spreadsheet for saving the details of my Instagram leads. So I'm going to select my same spreadsheet, that is Instagram leads, which is selected. So from this drop down you can select your preferred spreadsheet, and afterwards we are getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting is for entering the full name of my lead. Now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type the name of my lead, but no, I'm going to perform mapping. So now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the name of my lead from the response which I'm receiving from Instagram lead ads. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select this slash sign, and you will be getting all your previous application. So here I'm getting this Instagram lead ad. So from this I'm going to map the first name, provide the space, and again I'm going to map the last name of my lead. So with this we have successfully mapped the full name, and now I'm going to map the email with the same process. So here I have mapped the email as well, and now I'm going to map the phone number. So here I have mapped it, and now I am going to map the city. So here I have mapped the city of my Instagram lead, and now these fields are dynamic, means you don't have to enter your values again and again in Google Sheet. The responses will be automatically replaced as the new Instagram lead will be arrived by your Instagram lead ads form. And now we just have to click over this save and send test request for sending the test data to the Google Sheet. So here you can see I'm receiving a positive response, which means our data might be sent to the Google Sheet. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet and check it. So here you can see in my Google Sheet I'm successfully receiving this response, that is full name smart user, email smart@pabblytudes.com, phone number, and the city. So now you can also create an amazing automation like this for your real estate business so that you don't lose any lead. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you have any doubt, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.